Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, in previous video, I had taught you about article writing. I have also taught you important points which are required to write a good article. Dear students, I have told you about the format also, about content also, about expression also. How you can get good marks in this long composition. After that, I told you and I taught you one of the articles, or it was privatization of electricity. Dear students, today I am going to discuss and teach you one more article which is very important for your examination point of view. And the topic is promotion of tourism. As I have told you, that topic should be written at the top or after that by XYZ. Writer's name. If writer's name given in the question, then you will write the name. If not given, then simply XYZ. So as today's topic is promotion of tourism, so we have to discuss on that. Dear children, tour and tourism is one of the important departments of any country. It helps a lot to improve the economical condition of the country. It also helps to increase the national income of that country. But tour and tourism completely depends of any country on geographical condition, on natural sites, on historical monuments, on different important places. If a country is rich in these things, so automatically there is enough opportunity, enough scope of tour and tourism in that country. If a country is geographically and naturally good, if there are many natural sites, geographical sites are there, then there are a lot of possibilities to increase and to raise the level of tour and tourism. Dear children, fortunately our country India is rich in all the aspects. In our country there are many important historical monuments which can attract the visitors, tourists. There are many natural sites, geographical sites, many beautiful locations such as Jammu Kashmir, Kullu Manali, Simla, Dehradun. There are many places in our country. Or there are many historical monuments in our country. such as Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Buland Darwaza, or many important religious places also. So we are fortunate that we have such opportunity and such scope in our country. But I want to tell you that the tour and tourism in our country is not in good condition. The position of tour and tourism in our country is not good at all. Day by day, the tourists or visitors, they are reducing. Either they are the international tourists, those who come and visit from other countries, or our domestic tourists and domestic visitors, those who are in our country. They take less interest to visit our historical monuments and many places of our country. Due to that, dear children, the ratio, the position of tour and tourism is not in good condition. And number of tourists are reducing day by day. There are many reasons behind that. I want to discuss some reasons why tourists and visitors are taking less interest and coming in less number in our country and not visiting our tourist places. So first reason is lack of good transportation facility. Dear students, in our country, the transportation facility is not good. Condition of transportation is not satisfactory in comparison to the developed countries. The condition of roads is not good. Number of buses are less. Condition of buses is also not good. Number of trains are less. Or most importantly, dear children, in our country, to visit from one place to another place is very time taking. Suppose if a visitor has to visit simply 200 kilometer distance, so it takes more than 5-6 hours. But if the same distance any visitor has to visit in any developed countries like America, like Japan, like Canada, so he can cover that distance in only 2 or 2.5 hours. So due to not good transportation facility, our visitors used to get tired. Dear children, due to bad transportation facility, the visitors don't take interest to visit different places of our country. We have to improve the condition of transportation. We have to improve the condition of road also. We have to increase the number of buses also. We have to increase the number of trains also. Or we have to increase our number of aeroplanes also. If the transportation will be easy, to visitors either of our country, means domestic visitor, or of other country means international visitor, he or she will take interest to visit in our country. So we have to improve that. To promote the tourism of our country, one thing we have to do. Our second point and second reason I want to tell you, that lack of safety and security. Dear children, in our country, the position of security is not good. Everybody feel unsafe, insecure. Whenever we go outside, this sense of insecurity is always in our mind. Or due to this lack of security, we take less interest in that. Our security system should be improved. Number of security forces should be increased. Not only this much, dear children, but our security forces should be equipped with the latest technology devices. Or if they will be equipped with the latest devices, so they may trace or they may point out the robbers, those who are trying to create problem. So CCTV cameras should be increased, and it should be at every public places, and other things also should be improved to make our security system strong. Or most importantly, our security system has to develop a faith in the mind of people. People should feel that they are safe anywhere, any place in our country. If this sense of safety will be in the mind of visitors, so they will take interest. So second point, that security system should be improved. Third point, dear children, I want to tell you, lack of proper banking facility. In our country, banking facility is good but not very good, you can say. ATM booths are not available near the tourist places. Problem of transaction and transfer of money. So the tourists face a lot of problem regarding this banking work. Or if there will be banking facility, proper banking facility, so the visitor may withdraw money from anywhere, from any place. So banking facility should be very, very proper. Third. Or next, I want to tell you the lack of good hotel. In our country, dear children, the condition of hotels is not good. Many hotels, they claim that they are 5-star or 3-star, whatever, but they don't provide good facilities to the visitors. Sometimes visitors feel that they are cheated by them. Even they charge extra money also. So there should be a proper rules and regulation. If the hotel is claiming for 5-star, then he should provide the facility of 5-star. Or it should be observed and controlled by government. Government should Observe all these things. Our next thing I want to tell you, lack a good guide. In our country, dear children, at every tourist place, whenever we visit, so there is a requirement of a guide to show that place and to tell the importance of that place. But nowadays it is seen that the guide who used to take us to show the different places, who used to tell us the important places, they used to cheat us. They charge extra money. If the visitor is foreigner, then they used to charge very high amount. Or if the visitor is local, then they used to take very less money. So this thing should not be. Or one more thing I want to tell you, that the guide should be properly trained and he must have any degree and diploma in that department, tour and tourism, or he must have his identity and his number. Many times it happens that visitors are cheated by the guides. So it should not be. Their rate should be fixed. Or lastly, dear children, I want to tell you that near the tourist places, you have seen many tourist places, many historical monuments. If the place is vacant, so beside that we should make some bird sanctuaries, zoo, water park. If these things will be, or there should not be permanent construction, but if these things should be made, so visitors will come to see that historical monuments, or with that they will visit that zoo also, with that water park also, and with that they will see that bird sanctuaries also. So this is the way to attract the visitors. If there will be proper transportation facility, if there will be proper security, if there will be proper banking facility, if there will be, dear children, good guide, if there will be proper facility of hotels, or if the last suggestion which I have told you, if wildlife, if bird sanctuaries or zoo or you can say water park will be made on the vacant places near the historical monuments and near the historical important places, so we can attract the visitors, either international visitor of foreign countries or our domestic visitors. If we are improving these things, so surely we can promote the tourism of our country. Dear children, I have told you, discussed, explained. I hope you have understood well. Thank you, dear children.